luck. You can do it. Did you get it? Congrats! You got your permit! Woo! Hey guys, how's it going? I'm currently on my way to downtown St. Louis for a video shoot for my internship this evening. I was super busy. I've missed 2 days of vlogging. Whoops! But I had to write my very first shot list for this shoot, so that was fun because I've never done anything like that before, so I had to do a lot of research and stuff like that. Managed to finish another client video, so woohoo! That's out of the way. And Jansen got his driver's permit today, so he's gonna start driving. Absolutely crazy. Cannot believe he's that old already. It's insane. Got here, so I'm gonna go to the shoot and I'll catch you guys after. The shoot's over. It's like 8:30 now, I think, and I am so incredibly thirsty. It was really, really hot outside, and we were like walking all over downtown St. Louis with a bunch of equipment, and so like I need a drink so bad. But it went really well. I learned a lot and I had fun. Really want a drink right now. I really want some water. There's like fountains downtown. I wanted to go run through the fountains, but I don't think my mom would let me in the car after I did that, so bummer. Ask him if he cooked dinner. We bought food, but I'm not gonna tell him. Hey, did you cook dinner?
No, I just woke up at like 8, so I was doing
Well, I don't know what we're gonna eat then.
Okay.
I'm just playing, we bought you food.
What did you eat?
Dinner time. Looks good. What was that? That was lame. There we go. Did he just fart and then laugh at himself? Having fun there?
Find the fun. I don't know how to do that.
She's the most depressing toy I've ever seen. That is so sad. I know that's who she is, but it's really sad. So we're in Walmart at midnight now. Whoa. Poodoo. That's disgusting. This is disgusting. Why would you do that? Why? Looks like the real thing, smells much better.
Look at this.
Why? Why would you? No. Make your own. What is wrong with you? It's disgusting. Banana. How does it work?
I get it.
That doesn't ever get annoying. We are spending way too much time in the
How much are
children's
they?
section. I seriously want some Nerf guns. These are so fun.
$15.
Nuh-uh. It's gotta be like 20 at least.
Oh,
It's in the wrong place.
like, how about...
Kids' toys are the best. It's the next day. I forgot to end the vlog, but today's vlog is going to be super exciting. We're doing lots of awesome stuff, so be sure to come back tomorrow to watch that. Catch you guys then. Bye! That was ridiculous timing. Ridiculous. Ah!
How long were you waiting there?
2 minutes! That was a very long 2 minutes.
Okay, up a little, down a little, to the left, and to the right. Up a tad. Okay. And your hands were sort of like that. Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Use the force.
Okay.
I will take it. That's a wrap. my birthday.
Possible, I hate it. It's evil, it's astonishing.
Oh!